staying at the Holiday Inn Express in Melbourne. I think it's in South Bank. But yeah, look at that view. So cool. I'm literally so dead. I'm ready for a matcha. So I put on my stories asking where the best matcha in Melbourne is, and a lot of people said it was Tories. So I'm gonna see if that's close by and I'm gonna go get it. I could honestly walk around the streets of Melbourne all day. There's so many little hidey holes. I went to Tories, I got my matcha. I like to get mine iced on oat milk. And oh my God, I think this was the best matcha I've ever had out. They also have a beautiful array of little cakes. And this matcha and pistachio Madeleine was so good. It was the F1 this weekend, so just Melbourne in general was insanely busy. So pretty much everywhere you went, there was nowhere to sit. So I ended up just sitting on the steps of some nightclub. Then I had a little pop in at MECCA. I have this theory that if you go past a MECCA, you have to go in. Glow Recipe have started to release their blur drops into the MECCA stores, which is a new launch. I'm actually going to the MECCA launch tomorrow, so I'll tell you a little bit more about it then. The ilia skin tint is one of my favorites for every day. Gives a really nice dewy look to the skin. The Sunday Riley Lunar Oil is perfect if you're first starting out or you've got sensitive skin, whereas the high dose retinol serum is good if you're a little bit more seasoned to retinol. I literally love all Sunday Riley products though, like any of their oil based ones. Oh, so good. I love a little light physical exfoliation, and this one from Peel 27, amazing. And if there's one thing you should know about me is that I literally love a scalp scrub. I love the one from Way, but I haven't tried this one yet and I can't pronounce the name, so I'm not even gonna try. So my best friend lives in Melbourne, so we went to Brunetti's, had a little, Aperol spritz at the bar. I didn't film much because I really just wanted to spend time with her. So the outfit I planned on wearing, it's just not working. And I must have gained like a little bit of weight because it's not really fitting. So I'm gonna wear what I wore yesterday, but just with like a different coat. So don't judge me on that. You guys, I am so awful. I filmed everything portrait. I completely forgot that I was doing a YouTube video. So this is what I could get of the event. It was the MECCA Times Glow Recipe event for the launch of the new blur drops to MECCA. Christine Chang, the co-CEO of Glow Recipe, is wow, everything you want in a leader. She just had so much time for everyone, and when she was talking to you, you just felt like she was really listening. Seeing how much passion she actually has for this company, it makes you want to go out and buy more Glow Recipe. I sat next to Roge, aka the Roject, and Claire Bridget, and we just ended up having the best time. It was so much fun.
I'm a tourist in my own city.
Scalp psoriasis is actually killing me right now. Every time I travel, my head just flares up so bad. Okay, hair mask in, matcha secured. Oh, it feels just so good to be home. There was a point last night where I was dreaming of my bed on the plane. I was just thinking about how comfy it was and diving into it and just sleeping. There's nothing like your own bed. Okay, so while I was away, I received a couple of goodies, and I also received some little things like throughout my trip that I want to try. So I thought we could go through those now. And this one is from, looks like it's from The Ordinary. Oh, so many people are using this at the moment. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. I already know glycolic acid is way too harsh for my skin, but if you have really strong skin / aren't sensitive to a lot of things, this is really good. But a lot of people aren't actually using this on their face. They're using it on their armpit because apparently it lightens your armpits up. It's good for body odor too. So at nighttime, like popping it on your armpits, and apparently it's like stopping body odor, but you still need to use deodorant or something like that. Let me look into it and then I'll tell you about it, because right now I'm just thinking I know things, but I don't. And from memory, people are using this as like a scalp exfoliator. Let me have a look. Yes, I was correct. People are doing that. Next, we have a package from MECCA Max. I believe that these are their powders. Yeah, so they're high performance powders that blur, blend, and perfect. Apparently like it's no big deal. Just editing this right now, babe. Stop saying apparently. They are talc-free, long-wearing, high-pigmented, and with great powders comes great responsibility. Honestly, everything that MECCA Max does, it's really good. Like, their products are really good and quite affordable as well. I think I want to actually unbox this on my TikTok. So if you want to check out what I got, make sure to go there and have a little look, because I love to do unboxings on my TikTok. So yeah. Okay, next is a couple of little products that I got while I was in Sydney and Melbourne. This is actually my actual beauty case. It's from See Clear, and I just love being able to see absolutely everything that's in my beauty bag. So nothing gets lost. You can just go like, there it is, and go like in and get it. The only thing is you realize you're like a total mess, but that's fine, I guess. So when I was at the L'Oreal event, they were talking about their new shampoo, which is their Bond Repair Rescue Shampoo, leave-in serum, and then obviously their conditioner. Apparently this is a dupe for the Olaplex, which obviously everyone loves, but I think it's like at half the price. So I'm definitely gonna have to check it out and see if that is the case. I'm not an Olaplex girly myself. Like, I actually haven't really, I don't think I've really ever used it, but I definitely have heard lots of people say that it is a dupe for the Olaplex. So do with that what you will. I think it's at Chemist Warehouse. Okay, I got the infamous L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, which has recently come to Australia. I think I almost want to try this right now. Oh, poor Michaela. Like, girl, obviously they are fake lashes. Like, you're not fooling anyone, but also just like, oh, people make mistakes. Be nice to her. It must be awful. Anyway, so this is the mascara. Let's have a little look. So apparently there's actually a specific way to use this wand. It's a very peculiar wand. Wow, it combs the lashes so nicely. Wow. And then you want to take the curved side, and then this just helps to separate the lashes. This is actually a really nice mascara. Look, I know the whole Michaela situation, but wow. Holy shit. That's a nice mascara. Like, I have no eyelashes as a person. Wow. It's not clumpy at all either. It really just coats the lashes so well, and I haven't used an eyelash curler or anything like that. Glow Recipe products. So as you know, I went to MECCA's launch of this new Glow Recipe product, which is the Blur Drops. They are a BHA pore smoothing product. Let me just read the back though. Blurs pores in 30 seconds with this treatment and primer in one. Use as a serum or after your skincare routine, AM or PM. So it is a skincare product. You can use it as a primer for makeup. And then something really cool that the MECCA assistant was telling me is you can actually use it in summer if you have really oily or sweaty skin, and you can just sort of pop it anywhere you're feeling a little oily. I have insanely dry skin, so this is probably not good for me. But okay, let's say here, and you can pop it there and it just soaks up any kind of excess sweat or oil you have while sort of blurring your pores, which I just think is the coolest thing. All right, and then finally we have the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hydration Serum. So I've actually bought one of these before in the past, and it is just so hydrating. And the way Christine Chang, the co-CEO of Glow Recipe, was talking was, Why can't you have skincare with science-backed ingredients and also be aesthetic and cute and fun? Like, why can't you have both? Anyway, that's me done for my little wrap up and also my YouTube video. I think I'm gonna end it here. Yeah, like some feedback would be loved so much, and maybe even some little ideas on what I should be doing. I'm still very new at this, and yeah, exciting. I'll see you guys later.